So if you're going to use embedding models in your generative AI projects, maybe you're doing it for a vector store or you're creating some kind of vectors to do semantic matching as part of your bigger process, you need to keep in mind that if you use the default embedding models, you're going to get mediocre results. That's just how things work. It's true of other types of things. When you choose the middle of the road option or the default option, you're not getting something that's tuned directly to your problem set. So you may have text that you're trying to analyze or create vectors from that's like financial analysis. Well, there are specific financial analysis models and vectors models for embeddings that you want to use that are going to give you much better performance. Or for example, maybe you're trying to match addresses. There are some that have been tuned or trained against addresses. Just like there's different machine learning models for doing different kinds of classifications or trained on specific use cases, same thing happens with embedding models. And so the more you can test and train or create your own embedding models, the better results you're going to get in the end for your various projects. So you'll get better matches, you'll get better results, better scores as part of your process. So don't choose the defaults. Make sure you're looking at all the other options. Choose the one that works best for your use case. So you may ask, where can you find different embeddings models? Hugging Face is a great site to go to for all the open source versions of embedding models. People will publish those embedding models up there, and they'll also publish typically the data sets that were used to generate them. They also have some leaderboards up there, so you can actually see which of these models performs best on some default workloads that might match up to your use case. So check out Hugging Face, look at their leaderboards, and check out all the open source models and see if you can find one that matches your use.